butter bean and coconut milk with all of the season. Yeah. You know people, I tip a little bit of this night. Make it nice. So I go through and extract the milk out of this. And use it in the meal. Okay? Make it go on hot tonight. Yeah, people, remember the coconut? Yeah, I'm gonna ox the coconut right now. Jar from mash it. Mash it there. Alright, watch my ox. See there now, my beautiful people. That is it. I use this and break it up, crack it up, and ox it out with a knife. So, catch me when I ox it out. Yeah, my people. Yeah, see me ox it out now. All of this come from out of the shell. All of this come from out of the shell. Just ox it out. So I'm gonna wash it off now and grate it old school style. Grate it old school style with this. Yeah. This I use grate it. Forget out the milk. So I get the milk out of this. So I'm gonna rinse it off now and then start grate it. Let's go and tune in. Yeah, we'll get it washed off now. Yeah. Full clean now. Yeah man, yummy. I'm gonna taste this. I got you. And great. I like on this. So watch me a grater. people, see it after a fully grater. Yeah man, that is it my beautiful people, fully grated. Yeah, fully grated. So I go through and extract the milk out of this and use it in the meal. Okay? Yes my beautiful people, that is it. Just extract the milk now. Yeah people, see fire catch back now. Yeah man, fire never out. So I got you and put on the frying pot, make it hot. Alright. Alright. Make sure it's level. Yeah man. I'm gonna watch your stay. I plant that ready to fry night. Make sure it's level. Level I know. Yeah man. Touch your like button my people. Alright man, make it get hot now. In the meantime it get hot. But it got you and cut up some scale and time. Wash it off and cut it up. So make it go on hot tonight. But I'm gonna get a pepper off from the tree. Cut up a pepper tonight. Yeah. See if we can find a pepper. Oh yeah, one right there. Alright. Yeah, we get the right pepper. Let's see if we find the next one. Yeah, I'm gonna spring up man. Yeah, I'm gonna spring. Whoa. Alright, one more. We don't really need two still, you know. Yeah man. Farm that, you know. What them plant now, you know. Look upon them already. Gone way up. So, I cut up them here in the pot now. One of them at least, because them very hot. Alright. Cut it up, you know. Like this. Alright, I got it cut. Throw this in the pot. Throw it in. Alright. Now I put in the saltfish. Yeah, break it up, clean it up, wash it off, and boil it, and break it up. That is it. Fire get hot. Make it go and cool down, eh? Alright. Yeah, man, put it on back. Yeah, we're throwing the coconut milk in it now. Yeah, make it level. Alright. Smell nice. You can smell it? I throw the coconut milk in it now. Yeah, I'll throw this in it now. Yeah, this is the coconut milk. Yeah, throw anything now. Eat all of the star. Yeah, make it that one simmer down. So I'm going to cover it and make it go and simmer down. Yeah. Alright, make that go and simmer down. Whoa, look at that. Yeah, so I go through and show this night now. You can simmer down with it. Remember? Okay. Alright. Show it tonight now. Yeah. That is it, my people. Up on the fire underneath it. Ready? Alright. Yeah, man. Stir it up. Okay, go and simmer down. Yeah. Alright, people. Slippers and socks. You go and simmer down. Alright, catch money, simmer down, okay? You know, people, I tip a little bit of this night. Make it nice. Yeah, man, look at that one, people. Tip a little of this one. Alright. Try all light in and down a little bit. We use some more of it. Alright, look at that. Beautiful. Alright, make it go and simmer down. Get a little stir. Yeah, man. See, butter bean. And coconut milk with all of the season. Yeah, you simmer down. That was nice, my people. Yeah, man, thumbs up the video, okay? Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, we'll check it again, my people. Alright. Look at that. Yeah, man. Ready and on, people. I taste it. Alright, ready. So I take it off now and catch me and eat it with the rice, okay? Yeah, I take it off. Yeah, my people. You finish bread, you know? Yeah, man. Plantain down with the fry. I'm share out a bowl of the rice. Yeah. So I'm gonna go through and share out some of it. Alright. Got that. Yeah. I share out some of this. Alright, catch me and eat this here. Thumbs up the video. You man, catch me and go eat it now. Right, this is me I sit down and eat it. Yeah man, my people.